So today I will show you how to, let me open the Outlook. I will show you how to show the calendar as the email view panel. So by default, you have an email view and you have a calendar view. If we want to show the calendar as the same mail view panel, you can go to View, then go to Do Bar, click Calendar, check Calendar. Then the calendar will show up on the right side, and it will show today's task. Same as what you see in the calendar view. So you can close that by click the small X here to display this calendar, and you can show it again, check the calendar. Okay, so hope you enjoyed this video. Have a nice day.